Hello, and welcome back to one more episode of Vocabulary by iQuanta. And before that, the rituals, even some icons. Engage yourself on the app, answer a few questions, maybe from math, maybe from data interpretation, maybe from LR, or maybe from VARC. And also, those in school or just out of it, you got to take a decision and take it quickly. You've got batches running for IP Mat 27 and 28. And did I take the attendance today? हाँ, बहुत कम लोग हो रहे हैं भाई. एक्सपैंड करिए. हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं, हम पढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. दुनिया में जो है क्या क्या वायरल हो जा रहा है, बस हम ही वायरल नहीं हो पा रहे हैं. हाँ, जबकि सिलेक्शन हम ही कराएंगे. बाकी जितनी रीलें देख लो. Juvenescence, Zamani ke zin. State or period of being young. The great man Raja Federer. What a handsome man he was. He still is, but in younger days, kya baat hai? This is juvenescence. State or period of being young. Adolescence, infancy, immaturity. All right, I think देख लो, मतलब सारे वर्ड्स पता है तो. Adolescence भी पता है, infancy पता है, और immaturity तो पता ही है तुमको, उसी में से हो. Antonyms: adulthood and midlife. I have crossed the midlife also. Next, how do we use it? The poem used juvenescence to suggest fresh, youthful energy. ये energy हट गया, अलग आ गया. इतनी ज़्यादा energy हो गई कि टूट गई वो. The poem used juvenescence, being young, to suggest fresh, youthful energy. Next, abeyance. I think inactivity देखते हैं. हाँ, a state of temporary inactivity. सबसे अच्छी बात है, 3 लड़के 4 लड़के मिले, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं वो. क्या किया? कुछ नहीं किया. Chilling. Yes, that is abeyance. By the way, usage कुछ अलग होगा. Synonyms will be doldrums, dormancy, quiescence. बेटा तीनों यूज कर लो, तीनों नोट कर लो. So if something is in doldrums, so nothing has been decided about what to do about it. Okay, so that is doldrums. तो ये नोट हो गया. Dormant, ज्वालामुखी, the volcano dormant है, मतलब inactive है. And quiescence, the state of being quiet, no activity happening. So spellings and words सारे note कर लीजिए. Abeyance will be resuscitation, renewal and continuance. Resuscitate कहते getting back to life. All right, renew कर दिया और continue कर दिया. Inactivity का उल्टे. His suspension is being held in abeyance until the appeal is heard, which means suspension को भी रोक दिया गया है till the appeal is heard. उसके बाद decide होगा that he needs to be he needs to stay suspended or he needs to get back, or in fact he needs to be suspended. Stay तो नहीं करेगा क्योंकि suspension is held in abeyance. Next, dubious. ये पिछले उसमें एक्सरसाइज में आया था. Giving good reason for being doubted, questioned or challenged. Basically, if something is dubious, it is open to doubts. You can doubt something that is dubious. Suspicious, queer and dodgy. Queer also means strange. So this and suspicious सबको पता होगा, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. Antonyms are undeniable, decisive and obvious. कोई शक नहीं, कोई शक नहीं. That is antonym of dubious. The recent rumbles and ruptures in the financial markets, जो उथल पुथल है, उतार चढ़ाव. The recent rumbles and ruptures in the financial markets are finally making people reassess the dubious systems of credit that have arisen in the past few years. So this system is basically now being doubted कि यार ये जो system in place है ये शायद इतना अच्छा नहीं है, because the market is fluctuating so much. Okay? So we are using the word dubious. Requisite, requirements, maybe. Impossible to do without. हाँ, requirements हैं, ठीक है. इससे हमारा requirement है कि हम पैड छूते हैं. Imperative, momentous and obligatory. Okay. Imperative, something necessary. I mean, आपने वो पढ़ा होगा बड़ा grammar में, imperative sentences. Sit down, shut the door, open the window, keep quiet, get lost. These are all imperative sentences, necessary, जो करने पड़ते हैं, ठीक है. Obligations. All right. Antonyms are superfluous, undesired, and unimportant. Superfluous, not required, not necessary. Okay. जैसे ATM machine. तो machine is superfluous out here because ATM already means automated teller machine. So don't need to say ATM machine because that will be machine. So second machine is superfluous, not required, not necessary at all. Coding knowledge isn't requisite to build and launch ideas when such tools are handy. तो कोडिंग नॉलेज, अब तो एआई इज डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ कोडिंग ना, ठीक है, तो वो कह रहा है कोडिंग नॉलेज इजंट रिक्विजिट, इट्स नॉट इंपरेटिव टू बिल्ड एंड लॉन्च आइडियाज व्हेन सच टूल्स आर हैंडी. जब टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं तो और आइडियाज हैं आपके पास तो कोडिंग आना है ये जरूरी नहीं है. वेवर द फीस, oops, या देखा, a document containing a declaration of an intentional giving up of a right, claim or privilege. तो giving of a right claim मतलब हम इतनी फीस माफ करते हैं, that is a waiver. Exemption, indemnity. ओके भैया, एक वर्ड मिला है indemnity, प्लीज नोट कर लें. As a synonym for the word waiver, which means to kind of give up on a right or claim. Antonyms claim, clasp, enlist, all known. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Despite the changes, he did not waver from his plan to retire. कुछ गलत हो गया क्या ये? He did not waver. But anyway, I think check the spelling or something. ठीक है, इस केस में देख लेना एक बार. अब इतना तो ट्रस्ट कर सकते हो ना, हम तो काफी सारे, दिस इज 3738, हाँ देख लेना एक बार. ऑलराइट, वेवर, हाँ स्पेलिंग का होता है, यस, हाँ. Waiver, requisite, juvenescence, youth wali, dubious, something that is doubted, abeyance, period of inactivity. Okay, usage. My mother doesn't trust my best friend because she thinks he has a very dubious or requisite family background. I think यहाँ पे साफ है कि कैसे घर से आता है. Dubious family background, a background that is to be doubted. All right. Next, self-confidence is the first requisite to human greatness. ऐसा क्या? Right or wrong? Is the first necessary requirement. Yes, I think it is true. Next, the college got a special from the town to exceed the building height limit. तो एक टाउन में है कि इतना ही हाइट होना चाहिए, कॉलेज ने बोला हमको थोड़ा सा बढ़ के बनाना है, बोले ठीक है ले लो यार, स्पेशल वेवर. ऑलराइट, द कॉलेज गॉट अ स्पेशल वेवर फ्रॉम द टाउन टू एक्सीड द बिल्डिंग हाइट लिमिट. नेक्स्ट, I believe that the happiest individuals are those who have reclaimed their or the power to grow young. बेटा young एक ही वर्ड हमारे पास इस लिस्ट में, that is juvenescence. All right, we got it. Hostilities between the two groups have been in abeyance since last June. True, false? हमसे ना पूछो. Hostilities have been in abeyance मतलब they have been kind of in a state of inactivity. They are not hostile for a period of time. ठीक, तो I think this is also true. Wait. ओके, जाओ सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, कल फिर मिलेंगे. बाय बाय. बिफोर दैट, बाय द वे, बिफोर दैट आई थिंक यू गॉट टू हैव अ लुक एट दिस आल्सो एंड join the batch.